We're making a La Bandera layered frozen margarita from Mexico. It serves 2 and takes about 20 minutes. 3 bold layers, 1 epic sip. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 4.5 ounces of tequila blanco, divided for the 3 layers. 1.5 ounces of triple sec, divided. It adds bright orange notes. 3 ounces of fresh lime juice, divided for crisp acidity. 1¼ cups of frozen strawberries for the red layer. Half a cup of sweetened coconut cream for the white layer. 1½ cups of peeled, chopped cucumber for the green layer. 6 fresh mint leaves to boost the green color and aroma. 2 tablespoons of agave syrup, divided to sweeten the red and green layers. About 4½ cups of ice, divided to make a thick slush in each layer. 2 tablespoons of chamoy for a tangy, spicy rim. 2 teaspoons of Tajín seasoning for the rim mix. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt to balance the Tajín on the rim. 2 lime wheels, 2 strawberry slices, and 2 cucumber ribbons for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place 2 tall glasses in the freezer to chill while you prep, about 10 minutes total. On a small plate, mix 2 teaspoons of Tajín with 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Pour 2 tablespoons of chamoy into a shallow dish for the rim. Remove the glasses, swipe the rims in the 2 tablespoons of chamoy, then dip into the Tajín and salt mix. Return the rimmed glasses to the freezer. For the red layer, add 1½ ounces of tequila, ½ ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of agave, 1¼ cups of frozen strawberries, and about 1½ cups of ice. Blend until thick, about 25 to 30 seconds. Divide the red slush between the glasses, filling the bottom third. Tap to level and freeze for 5 minutes, so the layer sets. Rinse the blender jar quickly to avoid color bleed, then drain it well. For the white layer, add 1½ ounces of tequila, ½ ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of lime juice, ½ cup of coconut cream, and about 1½ cups of ice. Blend until smooth and thick, 25 to 30 seconds. Gently spoon the white layer over the red until the glasses are about 2/3 full. Use the back of a spoon to avoid mixing the colors. Freeze for 5 minutes to set. Rinse and drain the blender jar again, so the next layer stays clean. For the green layer, add 1½ ounces of tequila, ½ ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1½ cups of chopped cucumber, 6 mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of agave, and about 1½ cups of ice. Blend until thick, 25 to 30 seconds. Top off each glass with the green slush, pouring slowly over a spoon to keep the layers clean. Garnish each drink with 1 lime wheel, 1 strawberry slice, and 1 cucumber ribbon on the rim. Serve right away with a straw, and if you like, dust a pinch of Tajín on top for extra zing. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved these layers, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new recipe.